Today in kindergartening, we are going to get it wet. Our garden word for the day is rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. Rain is necessary to make the seed grow. A seed by itself in the dirt is not going to grow unless it gets wet. To show how important it is for your seed to be wet, for the rain to fall, we are going to run an experiment. You can see day 1, we have our seeds in the dish. Here they are in day 2. Every day we're putting water on them, just like the rain falling. On day 3, they still look the same, but they are getting a little bit puffy. You can see the seeds are changing shapes slightly, especially the beet seed. And before too long, we'll see that something happens to the seeds. The hard outer cover becomes soft, the water gets inside, and then you see the seeds start breaking apart and the inside of it is growing. You can see the radish on the right side. The second from the right is growing, and here on day 7 it has broken loose of its shell and it almost looks like it's ready to plant. It has a root and it has leaves, and it needs the dirt to grow now to feed it. Well, we're back out here on the deck and we're going to check the progress of the plants that we put in the ground. Remember now, it's been 9 days since we planted them. We put them in the dirt, we got them wet, and we've been getting them outside when we can to get some of the warmth and the sun from outside. In Mrs. Agbaji's class, we have beets, and you can see that there are a few beets coming up. They're starting to grow, making good progress there. In Mrs. Bryant's class, we have beans, and yep, there's a bean. There's another bean there, and there are a couple more beans there, so we're making good progress in beans. How about Mrs. Kingery? Oh, Mrs. Kingery, how are the pumpkins doing? I don't see them yet, but that's not surprising. They have a hard shell and they're a big seed and they take a little time to get going. How about Mrs. Landsangen? She's got radishes. Oh yeah, Mrs. Landsangen's class has got radishes. Way to go, Mrs. L. But Mrs. Settles, she's got some squash, but we don't know where they are. They haven't come up yet, but like the pumpkins, it takes a little bit of time. So we can wait. I imagine in a few days we're going to be seeing something come up in every single one of these, and I'll be delighted to show you the pictures at that time. Until then, you all keep gardening, and we'll have another update for you very soon.